do you need help bringing your emotions back in balance? I want to give you 3 really good Qigong exercises that help to restore the balance of your emotions and help to regulate your emotions inside your body so you don't have the huge emotional swingy, and so you can feel the emotions without the excess of feeling coming through your body. These exercises, the first one we're going to call is called Dragon Measures from the Sea. This exercise is from the Shi system. It's a really famous exercise. It's a beautiful exercise. And it starts with your hands facing towards the ground. Yep. You turn your hands over, your fists over, and you pull them back and you sit them on your hips. You sit them upside down on your hips, yeah? Now the hand comes forward. As it comes forward, it turns over. From upside down, it turns over. The hole's in the top of the hand. Yep. The hand turns down and then it turns over. Now it's like holding a jug of water. And as this one comes back, the other one goes out. Turns over, hold at the top, holding the jug of water, and you dip the water into the water and then you tip it out. It's the easiest way to describe it. You breathe out as you go forward. Tip it inside and outside, breathing out. There you go. Breathe out as you go forward. Very good. And breathe out. Breathe out as you go forward. Good. That's it. Perfect. And breathe. One more time. Go. Breathe out as it goes forward. This is a great exercise for taking away stress and strain and to balance your emotions. And bring your both hands back. Good. Then bring your hands back down. The next exercise is called Sage Presents a Peach, a very famous exercise from the Taiji Qigong system. I'm going to go to the right side first. I'm mirroring you. And go across and you bring it. It's like holding a peach in your hand. Then you come back and you rock from one side to the other. And you're coming forward and you're holding the peach in the hand. The bottom hand's facing the ground. Breathe as when you come back. Breathe it out when you go forward. Just nice and relax. It's good for stress and strain, but definitely good for your emotions. Good for your heart. Breathe it out. Breathe it in. One more the other side. Then breathe in. And then breathe out. Perfect. The next exercise we're going to move to is we're going to go to the Zhang Fu Qi Gong system. And we're going to use the heart exercise, yeah? So I want you to put your hands on your heart. Now, for a man, you need to put your left hand with your right over the top. For a woman, you need to put your right with your left over the top. So I'm a male, so I'll do this way. And we're going to go from the top, right, bottom, left. So we're doing circles that way. So they go from the top to the right, to the bottom, to the left. We're going to do this 9 times. 3. We go the other way now. So we're going to go top, left, bottom, right. Now this is clockwise for us. If I'm the clock, it's clockwise. It is top, left, bottom, right. So that's very good. We do this 9 times again. And the last one, 9, and then put your hands on your heart. Then we do what they call as point respiration. You're going to push your hands in and breathe out. Breathe out all of the first chi out of your heart. Breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in the good chi into your heart. Push your hands back and breathe out. You think of all the unwanted emotions leaving your body. Breathing in. Breathe in all the good energy. One more time. Breathe out. Breathe in all the good energy. Good, and that energizes the heart. So those 3 exercises are very good to help balance your emotions in your body. Enjoy them. Cheers. Bye-bye.